Hi, hello again. So here in this part we will focus in the function generate product list docx in the docxGeneration.py. Okay, let's make this work. We are almost there at the end of this bonus. So what we need to do first, we need to create the document, then we need to have a file name, and those parts I will just copy and paste here. At the very end, what we should do, we should save the document. So document dot save, and we provide the file name. Okay, and here in the middle we will fill the document with information, okay, with the products. So for each product in products, what we want to do, we want to call the generate product page. Okay, generate product page, we provide the document, we provide the product, go away, and we provide the title size and the title color. Okay, title size and title color. Okay, this part is almost done. What is missing? Yeah, let's see what we get with these first. Okay, so but something is missing here. Okay, let's go here to the docx options.py because we need to call this function. Okay, from here the generate docx. These we can comment, and we need to call the function that is in the docxGeneration.py inside of the docx options. And this document, this file, don't know nothing about the docxGeneration.py, so we need to import the function. Okay, so from the file docxGeneration, we want to import the generate product list .x. Okay, this function. By the way, let me align these. Okay, I like to have these aligned. It's easier to read. Okay, then we need to call this function. We need to provide the list with products, where we have the list with products here in the docx options window. If we go here to the initializer, we receive the products and we attach the products to the self. Okay, just like this. So we need to provide the self dot products. Okay, then we need to provide an integer that is the size of the title. Okay, so title size dot get. Okay, because if it is just title size, it is int var, and what we want to have the value of the int var. Okay, and the same thing is true for the title color, so I will just copy and paste. Okay, so in the docx options.py, we don't need to do anything else in this part. We will need to do something in the next part. Okay, I will leave this open, and let's go here to the docxGeneration.py. I said to you that something is missing. Okay, and let's run and see what we get. Okay, let's open the terminal. Let me put this big. Let's run our app, and by the way, let me put here this. So let's generate our document. So 1 2 3, and nothing happens here. It don't generate anything, and we got a lot of errors. It says no such file, and probably you cannot see. I don't see where. Now you can see no such file or directory, and it cannot find this image. Okay, so we can easily solve this problem because we know that the image is missing, right? I can go here and let me update the image of the apple. Let's update, let's go export, and let's generate, and again we got another error. Let me see, you can see again is about the image, some image. I know what is the problem. The problem is about with the image of the orange. I don't know, maybe the file is corrupted or something, and for some reason it cannot handle this image, okay, the Python docx. So let me delete this one, okay, and by the way, because I want to see results, I want to show you the results. Let's make this big, let's generate, and now we have here our document, right? We have the apple. Oh, and then we have here the banana and the avocado in this way. We don't like this to be in this way, right? So that was one problem, and to solve that problem is very easy. By the way, let me close here. Is very easy because something, like I said to you, something was missing, and what is missing is adding a page break. So document dot add page underscore break, okay, is just like this, and we still have a problem with this part. About the images, how to solve that problem. We must go here to the generate products page, and when we load the image here, we need to change this code. Let me make this as a comment. This was the old way, and now we need to add a try, and we will try to do this, and if for some reason we get an error, instead of adding the image, we will add a paragraph with the text. I will just copy and paste. Instead of adding the image, we add a paragraph saying that the image was not found, okay? And this problem was solved, by the way. So let me collapse this function, and let's see what is the problem I talked about related with this. Let me go here, let me run this again. Let's wait. Is opened. So we have these. Let's export. Okay. No errors. Let's open. We have these. It says here for the apple, it cannot find the image because, again, we don't have here the image at this moment. We have the banana, the avocado, the orange is saying here it cannot find the image. Again, pineapple, kiwi, strawberry. I want to show you the problem. Mango. And then we have a blank page. The last page is blank. Right. This is the problem. And why we have this problem? Because we are iterating over all the products, right? And after that, we add, after each product, we create a new page. So it means that we want to do this except for the last one. how to do this part? Very easy. We can do from the first one to the except the last one. Okay, we want to select all, we want to iterate all the products except the last one, and we do this, and after that we want to call this function again. Okay, outside of the for loop we want to call the function again, providing just the last product. So let's, instead of product, it will be, oops, what I did, it will be products, and we want the last element of this list. Okay, and then we generate a new page on the last blank page. Okay, let's see if this is doing everything okay, and then I will show you that we still have a small problem, and we will solve the problem in the next part. What I want to do, I want to generate big generate, and it generated. Yeah, we have here, let's open, let's see, we have here the apple, everything. Let's go to the last page. The last page is the one with mango. Okay, perfect, perfect. Let me delete these, close and delete, sorry. What I want to do, I want to show you the problem. We have here a small problem. You see, I will not close this window, but I will go here and delete these products. Let's delete these products, and let's generate a new document, and let's see what we get. And we still have here the apple, and we still have the bananas. The avocado is okay, the orange. So I deleted the products, but it still appears here, right? It shouldn't appear. And also, if I close here and open and generate again and open again, now it updates. Okay, so if you didn't understood why these have this behavior, in the next part I will show you why. Bye.